Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna look at our new WhatsApp message template analytics feature that now support in Rapidbott. So inside your chatbot contents, you can find WhatsApp template if you have a WhatsApp number connected on to the spot. So inside the template, go to the template that you want to see the analytics. You will find a button like this. So if you are using this feature in our broadcast, for example, you are running some WhatsApp broadcast campaigns. So whenever this template is been sent to some numbers, there will be some data. So that data you can view from here. Just click on it. From here you can select the filter. So at the moment, in last 7 days, this template is never used or sent. Let's put 30 days. Let's wait for the data to load. So here you can see you can get a detailed data like how many numbers it got sent, how many got delivered, and how many it got read. So then you can see how much it costed for your this campaign, or in the last 30 days how much you spent on the template, this particular template message. So this gives a clarity how you can use it or how efficiently you can run WhatsApp broadcast campaigns or WhatsApp templates for your business. Sometimes you might notice an error like this. So you don't get any data here. That means the insight template analytics is not enabled by default. So you need to enable this first from your WhatsApp manager. So then only this data will be visible. So what you have to do is let's head back to your WhatsApp manager. So go to your WhatsApp cloud. From here you can click on three dot, then go to your phone numbers. Just go to, it will redirect to your WhatsApp manager. Then what you have to do is go to message templates and just wait for it to load. Just click on any of the template, click on the view inside. So for example, let me click on this particular template, view inside. So by default this is not turned it on, so that is why it's not capturing any data. So once you click on get insights, for example, you will get a pop-up like this. Then you can click on confirm. So now insights added to your account. So you can do a reload now. Sometimes if your business is not verified, this feature might not be available for you, but if your business is already verified, there shouldn't be any problem. So here you can see now this to dashboard or data, you can see button clicks performance. Now this is visible for you. That means this insight tracking is enabled. So now if you head back to your chatbot, go to any of the template. For example, let me open the template section. So if I'm going to select this template, if I go click on this analytics, you won't see that error. It will directly load the analytics dashboard. So here you can select, for example, this template I've sent it today. Let me put the date today. Then you can see the data here, how many numbers it got sent, how many it got delivered. The cost data, it will take time to update. It won't be very instant update. It will take at least, I think, 24 hours or something time period. The data will be more accurate. It will be updated. So this is how you can keep a track of all the data analytics of this specific template, and you can get an overall idea how well it is performing in your broadcast campaigns, and how much it is costing, or how much the data is being sent or delivered. And this is how you can utilize it much better or efficient way in your campaigns, and hope this will be very useful. Thank you.